All right, we are on Icon, room number 183, deck 11, with the Central Park view. Welcome, welcome. Hello there, Miss LJ. How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
We're gonna do one of our
quick fast
room tours. Y'all excuse the stuff all over in the room. We just got in here. So why don't we just commence? Put all the games aside. This is the bathroom. Yes, you have the throne, and you have a couple little shelves there in case you need to store some things, which you obviously will. It is tight, just to let everyone know. If need be, here I'm gonna walk in. I like how the bathroom kind of twists, the door twist in. So it's not bad. I'm not a very tall person, but you know, I can put my hands up to the ceiling here. And you got your towels on the inside. Nice shower head, as always. What would you expect from a brand new ship? And like people have been showing, you have a little seat there as well, so whoever may want to sit down. You have your sink here with a couple of places for storage, your towels and whatnot. You have a drawer here you can pull out, put what you may need. Again, a couple shelves and so forth. And let's not forget the hook that's on here if your towels, wet clothes, which is a nice little touch. And then you also have a few hooks here if you want to put something up. But alongside that is the full-length mirror. What up, everybody, again? And behind the mirror, which we were wondering, you have, again, more storage. You have your safe that's available. Probably, again, not big enough for a laptop, but that's okay. Miss LJ wants to go ahead and unlock it for us. You know. So yeah, just a little something there to keep in mind. And then you have the closet, just a little tight, just my opinion, but a little tight. You know, got a little couple hooks right there. If you have something you want to put on, then you have another closet right next. You know, it's a lot more space, and as other people have shown, you got the little baskets underneath. You know, may want to put some shoes or anything of that nature down there. But plugs as well, which everyone seems to find important. You have some USB ports. Obviously the huge king size bed. We got all our stuff on.
Ooh, this is nice.
Again, excuse us. We just got in. Had to get some things straightened out. With our Crown and Anchor Society huge TV, and you have again a couple of shelves here, so if you want to put some things here, and yeah, thanks. It's USB ports, just so you know. As well as on the other side of the bed, you have your phone. You got a couple shelves. You got a USB port here by the light, underneath the light, and then you have your pull-out couch. Obviously, you have more than one or two people staying. Nice size mirror, nice little touch with the lamp as well. It's not the traditional thing, but then you have your plugs. Let's not forget those. Always your not fridge cooler. Decent size, be able to store what you need, your drinks, whatever the case may be. Got your hair dryer for the ladies. A couple of more, you know, hair drawers. Nice little seat to sit there. I like the decor, which is nice. And the cool part about it, we have an infinite Central Park balcony. So as Miss LJ is sitting there,
hello,
as you can see, the exchange from the carpet color here to the outside, or which would we consider to be the balcony. You have your two chairs here, table, little ottoman for your feet. And then you have the controllers here to your right hand side. And oh, there's our friends D and Para DJ and oh, Danny Hard Travel. Isn't that nice?
Nice, okay.
But yeah, this is our room for the next 7 days.
We get to people watch.
Yeah, we get to enjoy it. Here's maybe a good shot of it. You know, not as big as we would have expected, but decent size nonetheless. Like I said, you can sleep a good 2 or 3, I'd say 3 people in here pretty comfortably. It'd just be a little tight coming through this area right here between the bed and the wall. It's a little narrow. And of course, yeah, the bathroom itself, it is a little snug in there. Yeah, I'll give you guys a nice big shot. You know, it's a little snug, so keep that in mind. But 11th floor, room 11183, Infinite Central Park balcony. And yep, there you are. All right now.